Beside and besides are often confused, but they have different meanings and uses. Beside means next to, or at the side of, while besides means in addition to, or apart from. You would use beside when referring to physical proximity or location, such as sitting beside someone or standing beside a tree. On the other hand, besides is used to indicate something additional or extra, like, besides studying, I also enjoy playing sports. Beside can also be used figuratively to mean, comparatively, or compared to, such as, she looked so small beside him. Besides can also be used to introduce an additional point or reason in a discussion or argument. Beside is a preposition, whereas besides can function as a preposition or an adverb. Beside is commonly followed by a noun, while besides is followed by a noun, pronoun, or ing verb. Beside can also be used as an adverb, meaning close by, or aside, as in, leave that book beside. While beside and besides are similar in sound, it is important to use the correct one in order to convey the intended meaning.